y'all. This is the fit, headed out. This is the makeup. I just did a quick little, too much of nothing on the face. Did my hair. And then I just put this little plaid shirt, leggings, and boots. This is from, the plaid shirt is from Fashion Nova. This little tank and the tights are Forever 21. Boots, Walmart. And then this little necklace. Where did I get this necklace? Amazon? I think Amazon. So earrings, Forever 21. So this is the look for today, girls. And I love how long this comes down in the bag. But it looks cute. But yeah, so we're getting ready to just head on out. I'll see y'all at the restaurant. Run on in there. Is that them sitting down already? Look like it. Hey there, wild thing. Oh yeah, you want me to take y'all? I'll take y'all something in here when we come in. Hey, Rhonda? Oh, okay.
ISO, we on the go, yeah, hey, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me, don't petty me, keep that same energy, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me, don't petty me, keep that same energy, yeah, we was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin', popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin', we ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring, did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet. Fly out to New Orleans, won't be back until the morning. Money was a shortage, we was feeling corny. All I really wanted was help grandma pay the mortgage. Loading up the boat till we had to pay for storage. Knew the work we put in would pay off and be rewarded. Yeah, and now we on it. See it how we call it. Now these hoes be swarming. If I tell you once, that's a warning. If I tell you twice, then it's on your third time will be your charm. Yeah. We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store. Yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit.
They gon' try and milk you till you bone dry. Oh my, we could do the trap, or the rap, or the lo-fi. Had to cut my old ones off, too much soul ties. Takes that time heals, we gon' see when it go by. Shampoo the bed, then I hit it with the blow dry. When I come back, I'm like MJ with the 4-5. Conscious in the cut, yeah you know that's the bro God. If they go low, thumbs up, we gon' go high. Yeah, if it's up, then it's stuck. Can't block my goals cause I don't give a fuck. And heart on ice, you gon' need a shovel up. Yeah, when we in the building, they know to double up.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store. Yeah, keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit.
coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit, I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised so in the rain coat. Get the waist quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, it's locked in. All that turned me to a target. Plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me.
Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I just wanted to come on and end the vlog. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it today. We did a lot yesterday. Well, not really a lot, but you know, you guys will see we went to the Sugar Factory, which was really fun. Really fun. The food, not so much. What I got was a salad with salmon. The salmon was just, I don't know, I don't think they cooked it all the way. It just seemed a little, what's the word, like wet? I don't know. But once I mixed it all with my salad, I got a Caesar salad and they just put the salmon on top. So when I was just like peeling off the salmon and eating it like that, I ain't like it. But when I mixed it in with my salad, it was better. So everybody else said their food was just okay. It wasn't the bomb. But my little espresso martini, that was good. But there they called it a caramel macchiato. That's what the drink was called, caramel macchiato. But like they said, it's basically their version of the espresso martini. It was really good. The only thing I would say is that they put too much whipped cream. So you really couldn't taste the drink or enjoy the drink because of all the damn whipped cream they had in there. So overall, it was just a fun time. It's beautiful in there. A lot of people go there for their birthdays just because there's so many places to take pictures. They have the Rose Wall. They have different little places in there that you can take pictures. I tried to get as much videos as I could, but it still was more stuff. So it's very pretty in there. So if anything, you're paying for the aesthetic and the ambiance and the, you know, they get you crunk on your birthday. They play the little songs. So it was real cool. But yeah, I'll probably go back. Maybe just for like a happy hour or something. I think they do happy hour. So, or, you know, just to go and kick it. Maybe a girl's day or something like that. But yeah, it was cool. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just end the vlog today. And I may just start another one later. But I don't want them to be too long. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut it here, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please comment, and girl, subscribe if you're watching and you have not subscribed. What are you doing, sis? Tap the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you'll know when I'm going live, when I'm updating a video. Girl, come and join us. I'm going to be uploading videos or vlogs like twice a week. So some videos will be vlogs. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A. So if there's any questions that you guys have for me or anything you want to know about your girl, drop it in the comments below and I will answer those questions. So, again, thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.